Good morning. I ended up not going camping this weekend, and the reason for that is I wanted to go to Midmar Dam, to Morgan's campsite, and I tried an online booking on Wednesday, and I got a message. I called this number, spoke to a lady, and chatting to her and telling her when I was coming and how long I'm staying for. She eventually said, no, I've got to phone another number. So she gave me another number, and I called this number, and the lady that answered just said, sorry, Friday, Saturday night, fully booked. I explained, I said, I just want for myself, but a site with electricity. But she said, no sites available, fully booked. And see these pictures that I just got from Russell, that's at Midmar at the moment. So, Midmar, you'll have to look at your system and rectify it. Something is not right there.